traders, today I'll show you how you can trade on cryptocurrency. Many say that it's very risky, but I'll show you in practice that it's very correctly, and I'll show you also my private strategy. So watch this video till the end and you'll see how to trade correctly with cryptocurrency. So we're waiting on the market option. In the upper side we see different Bitcoin and Litecoin, you'll see. So you know these cryptocurrencies. We see 250. I think that we set this amount, and 30 seconds time frame. 30 seconds. It's seen on the screen. So we see what we see here. Our settings of indicators. Absolutely not difficult bunch of indicators. So for beginners, you understand the essence of how to analyze these indicators in order to open deals in one or another direction. Or you can also see the link in the description to my Telegram channel, and we start to trade. First concept, quite simple. We see support area, resistance area, uptrend. The marker we see tendency upward. Yeah, simple. Not difficult. Yeah, great. Perfect. We see plus TL. Quite simple, as I said. Second cryptocurrency, I would say we usually just trade on Concepts. Who didn't know, but we switched to the cryptocurrency. So we see reversals. I showed several reversals. Open downside tail. Candle we have we see bifractal the line, small range. We also see from the second indicator that we have reached the upper limit of 70. So this is a certain level of resistance. Yeah, 0, still not a minus. And we move on immediately to the third cryptocurrency. The situation is quite interesting, and I'll explain why it's very interesting situation. Many opens the decrease, so we have some drawdown, and the shadows of candles we see. This means that there should be a reversal. So bifractal, nothing to say. 1 second. Yeah, good. Perfect. Plus DL, very simple, and we see this situation and several cryptocurrency for now. You should also to analyze the full picture, and technical analysis. And I remind you about my Telegram channel. You see these deals on my Telegram channel. The link in the description. And I also tell you about my deals, my trades, and you're like already link to the link. Yeah, we see these cryptocurrency. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. It's connected to, we see general chart for decline, then we reach the top points, either support resistance, some consolidation in a certain range. At the moment we're looking at the second indicator. We also see consolidation in the second indicator. So if you look closely, the constant broken line changes its direction, so we see shadows are formed from above. So $455. Yeah, good, great situation. I'm showing you, and we're switching to the Bitcoin, most cryptocurrency in the whole world. So I think many of you are even investing in it as a my. So we see support area. We go into this the general trend of the chart. I just drew a fractal. We also have a downward trend. We look to the second indicator. We also see downward trend and consolidation. The marker we see the situation is corrected. Yeah. So everything is clear and beautiful. By the way, I love the pocket option to trade with my team. And we're switching to the Bitcoin. Many people know it too. And yeah, there we opened uptrend. Global trend is upward. Rising candles, pleasant level of resistance. We successfully lifted it, so we're moving up by the second indicator. Great. We see support resistance level. 5 seconds left until the end. So we see that, yeah, plus deal, perfect. $417 we have, and we have $10,500. Good. So in my Telegram channel you can see my signals, and it's not the all. You can also ask me any questions you have, and I'll answer that. So you can ask me any. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, don't forget about it. Different strategies. Yeah, we opened default, the standard range of our chart. Here we have clearly ascending the trend according to the marker. Is also an upward trend. We see that we have reached previous times 30 value, and our chart turned in the opposite direction to upward trend. Yeah, plus DL, good. And this cryptocurrency, we see many people know it. It's probably the second or third most popular cryptocurrency at the moment. We open DL down. By fractal we see downward trend. So the shadows are mainly on top, which indicates that the chart will continue to suck. So yeah, we see the situation. Let's see. Good. Plus DL, it's very good. So today we had 8 cryptocurrency, and 7 at the plus and 1 at the 0. So it's happened. So what to say more? We see good result. It's very good. On the balance we have almost $11,000. So settings I showed at the beginning of the video. This strategy is simple. And also don't forget about my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel. Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.